guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel, boy. You already know what time it is. Your boy T right here, and yes, we got some sneakers for you. Alright, I know it's been a minute since I dropped a sneaker video, but hey, I'm still bringing these out to you, man, to let you all know, all my sneaker heads here. Yo, man, I ain't forgot about y'all guys. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm still mobbing out the sneakers, and yes, I've been doing more of my gaming thing, but I've been doing a lot of live streaming as well. So hey, I'm going live. I'm trying to be live Monday through Thursday every night, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So hey, man, if you want to talk about sneakers, you got some questions, man, fall through. But hey, don't forget, still ask questions inside the comments as well. But enough of that said, what we got for you today, some Nike Dunk Lows. Australia is a nice collaboration in honoring to the Australian country. Nike is, worldwide, so hey, country and their countries and all. So you already know this here. Shout out to Australia, and yeah, man, here we go. The Nike Dunk Low, Australia's. Now these sneakers here, man, looking absolutely fire to me because it's that earthy look. It's actually $110, and it's just the whole, like I said, the whole look of this actual sneaker is absolutely fine. Sizing wise, it did come in women, so men, if you're looking for a size in this here right here, you definitely want to go with your normal true to size. But like I said, I think it's a size and a half up for men, for women's sneakers, something like that. But yeah, definitely go to whatever size you normally get because it actually fits perfect on your feet. Now, just talking about the sneaker itself, man, again, this is it's collaborated with Australia. It's made for Australia. And again, I think they did a real good job with it. And just looking at the whole vibe of this whole sneaker. As you can see, we do have the white that's just going throughout this toe box, the mids of the actual sneaker here follow around. It does go around through the back, and it also has it on the other side as well. Now it does have a different tones of tan in it. You got like a darker or a brown, I guess you would say. You also have like this nice little tannish here. I call it tan, but then you also got a nice little sail and cream look. As you can see, that swoosh is like a nice little sail look, and then you got the cream sole plate as you go around the sneaker with the actual gum bottom, which I do like the gum bottom. For some reason with gum bottoms, for me, man, I like gum bottom sneakers. That's just me. I don't know why I like gum bottom sneakers. Now, as you can see, we do have the nice Nike plated emblem here, right here, which I think is pretty cool. It didn't come in any extra laces. It does have the white finish lace. I don't know what other lace may go with it. I would say a darker brown might kind of pep it up a little bit. I don't know for sure, but as you can see here on the toe, on the actual tongue here, we do have that tan look, but you do got that pistachio green. Yeah, I said it, that pistachio green. I'm Southern. It's kind of hard to get that word out sometimes. But yeah, we do got the pistachio green here, and we do have the honoring of the AU. As you can see, that stands for Australia here on the front of this tongue. We also do have that Nike here on the side back panel of this sneaker, and it does have a little of that pistachio green in it as well. Inside of the sneaker here, you can see that's the pistachio green. I can say the pistachio green insole here, right along with the Nike, and you see the AU in it as well. Again, this is a nice thin tongue, and the fact of it is it does have like the little age look going on with it. As you can see, look, the little aging look. If you look on the eyelids of the sneaker here, you can see some of the little age look right along with that nice crackle look. I do like the crackle look that they did give to this here. I must say, this quality on this dunk is probably one of the best qualities I done seen on a dunk in 2023. Now this is absolutely fire, and I wish that if you ever own a pair of the Nike IDs, I mean, this quality of these here kind of just matches up with the Nike IDs, man. The quality of this actual dunk, man, you don't find too much good quality dunk leathers like this right here, and this is absolutely amazing, guys. I'm trying to tell you, definitely worth getting here. As you can see, I did leave this out. We do have the Nike in the back that has that pistachio look green in it as well. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much all for this actual sneaker. I think they did a very amazing job with this actual Australian sneaker here. I'm blown away by the actual texture of this sneaker, man. This is the left one, and the right one as well is the same exact look. Nothing different with it at all. Again, the leathers on it is absolutely amazing. The quality of this whole dunk is absolutely amazing. Again, if you're looking for sizing, go true to size. You can't go wrong with it. They did release for $110. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about these in the comments. Do you like the style and the look of this Nike Dunk Australia look here? And would they have any other type of dunks that would be coming in the future that's like, other countries or anything like that? I'm gonna have to look into that. But if you know anything else in the comments, let me know in the comments, guys. Again, man, the sneakers don't stop. I will continue to bring sneaker videos here to you guys. I know it's been a minute since I dropped some, but hey, shout out. I do appreciate all the love and support that I did give on the last sneaker video. Hey, it really meant a lot to me. Truly do appreciate it again. But yeah, man, that's all I pretty much got for these, man. Again, man, the Nike Dunk Low Australia's is here, man. Again, a nice sneaker, a nice textured sneaker here. You can't beat it. The actual quality on it is great, and it's just the earthly look. So I definitely do like it, man. So that's all I got for you, man. If you're new to the channel, again, like I said before, man, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button for your boy if you enjoyed the video. And guess what, man? We got more sneaker videos on the way, man. So be on the lookout. Love and bless. I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Peace.